Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Google Chrome application on my Android mobile phone. I'm going to open this application and for example, I'm going to search for a random thing. And then we can click on this profile icon. Click on your profile icon and you have to scroll down until you find the Safe Search option. If you want to activate the Safe Search, you can click on this option and you can select folder or blur. For example, I'm going to select folder. Okay, and now the Safe Search has been activated guys, and that's how we can turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome application on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.